everyone, it's me, Krista. Welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. If not, welcome for the very first time to my little art corner here on YouTube. Today I'm going to be unboxing the regular Artsnacks box for December 2019. Let's get into it. As always, we have our menu that lets us know exactly what comes inside this month's box. Here's the snack, and it is a candy cane. How appropriate. And here is the cute little logo sticker. The first item we got is a Kuryakin Zig Wink of Luna metallic brush pen, and this is normally $9 retail. Add a touch of glamour to your artwork with the Kuryakin Zig Wink of Luna metallic brush pen. Its soft nylon brush tip lays down metallic color that looks great on both light and dark paper. The squeezable barrel was uniquely designed to resemble a cosmetic product, but please don't apply the ink to your skin. It looks so much better on paper anyway. Before use, remove the black protective ring. I am interested to try this. I have seen a couple of videos about them before. I think it has the issue that a lot of these Kuryakin style markers have, though, where too much can come out and sometimes it clogs up. So we will see how that works out. With a lot of these markers, you have a ring you have to remove, and you also have to shake it a lot in order for the ink to move down. I also squeeze like the dickens. As you can see, there's a little bit of shaking going on. And it can take the ink a minute to come out. It happens. It's pretty normal for paint markers, though. You have to use a mixture of gravity, squeezing in this case, and applying pressure to the tip. It eventually comes out. It just takes it a moment. I got it in the color violet. Please let me know in the comment section down below what color you got. I really think this is a beautiful color, and the sheen it has is very nice. And it looks like as long as the flow of the ink or paint or whatever it is keeps going, it can probably get really thin, fine lines. Next, we have a liner, specifically the Edding 1880 Draw Liner. This is normally $2.45 in retail. This is a new item to Artsnacks. For the Edding 1880 Draw Liner, precision is the name of the game. The metal-encased fiber tip produces accurate lines and high-quality results. Its pigment ink is waterproof, light-fast, and quick-drying, so you can use it for all types of work. And so far, it just seems like a normal liner. The following item is a marker I've used before in a different color that came in May's sketch box. I didn't like it then because it ate the paper. I guess we'll find out in the next video if it might have been just the pigment. That's always a possibility. But this marker is a Caron Brush Marker Pro. It is normally $3.79 retail. This is a staff favorite and is new to Artsnacks. Meet your favorite marker. The Caron Brush Marker Pro features dye-based liquid paint that stays intense until the very last drop. Its flexible nylon tip is super durable and works well on both textured or smooth paper. Pair it with your white Cartoonist brush pen and watch the color pop. The color I got this time is red lilac. The other color I have is like flesh tone number 2 or something like that. I am interested to see if I have the same issue this time. I will definitely be using a thicker paper, probably a thick watercolor paper. And hopefully it was just a paper issue with the previous marker or a pigment issue. We will see. This next item also came in that May sketch box, and I also was not a huge fan of it. This is a Kuryakin Zig White Cartoonist brush pen. It dried on the paper a lot like whiteout. It was very textured and kind of gunky, and it also dried out in the pen really badly and made it impossible to use it on anything besides that one project. And this is a Kuryakin Zig White Cartoonist brush pen, and this is normally $9 retail. Achieve a wide range of thick and thin lines with the Kuryakin Zig White Cartoonist brush pen. This extra fine tip is great for adding highlights and small details. The pen's pigment ink dries quickly and is water resistant, so you can easily layer other markers on top. To keep your pen in good shape, between each use and wipe clean after each use to prevent clogging. Also, do not rinse it under the faucet. To start the ink flow, unscrew the brush from the barrel and remove the yellow ring. Screw the two parts back together and apply light pressure to the push button. Then you'll see ink start flowing to the tip. I'm glad that for this it gives you some ideas of how to prevent it from clogging, basically. I had no idea this texture was going to be any different than some of the other Kuryakin Zig markers I have that are very similar that have not dried out inside the tube. I was very confused by it the first time I used it, but now at least they provided some care so I can hopefully prevent these same issues again. Another issue I had last time that you can see here is that the ink coming out of the tip is kind of difficult to control. There's a little notch near the brush tip, and when you squeeze, a lot of the times it comes out of there instead of the brush tip. So I might put it on a palette and then use it like paint. We will see. It's also not the most opaque, and you have to layer it up quite a bit in order for it to cover, and then it gets that whiteout texture on the paper. Here is a shot of everything that came in this month's box. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little scared of the stuff in here because I've had bad experiences with basically half of the items that are on screen here. I will try my best when I do a project to see if I can find ways to work around it. But maybe they changed formulation. Maybe I have learned. Maybe it'll be better. We'll find out together next time. But for now, we are done with this video. If you liked this video, please hit that like button. If you have any comments, questions, feelings, or concerns, if you want to share any experiences you've had with these items before, please let me know in that comment section down below. I look forward to hearing from you. If you want to see more videos like this, please feel free to subscribe. I do want to take this moment to thank you so much for taking the time out of your busy day or night to watch this video. I greatly appreciate it. I look so forward to hearing from you guys soon, and you'll definitely be hearing from me soon. Bye, everybody!